Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you, let's go to fix not showing it to the airport in my Bluetooth section. So let's go to fix this. So you just apply one tricks, then you can get 100% solution. Go to your control center, open your Bluetooth. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth and open AirPod. But as you can see, not showing it to Bluetooth in here. So don't worry, you just tap on 2 times. Okay, close and open. When showing it to green light, tap on 2 times. Showing it to white light. When showing it to white light, okay, all right, and showing it to my AirPod, just tap on to connect. Now connect this. So that's how you can easily fix this problem.